Is Microsoft Office pathing failed due to the vbe7 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. For professional-grade VBE7 maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the VBE7, the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA core engine. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for macros and custom logic within Office, facilitating the automation manifest for localized data links. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This issue indicates a structural problem within Microsoft Office's installation. Reinstall the latest version of Microsoft Office from the official site to restore VBE7 DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including VBE7, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit the like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Most individual downloads of VBE7 DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing VBE7 and maintaining system stability. To support our technical team and receive updates on VBE7 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.